Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can access your website's database only by using WordPress login. However, please note, accessing this database depends on your server or host too. Anyway, we will access the database something like this. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now, to access the database, we will use software phpMyAdmin. Let me open the browser and search for phpMyAdmin. This is the website. Click on it and download the latest version. So the file is about 13.5 MB. So the file has been downloaded. Show in folder. I will cut this to the desktop. We need to upload this to our website. Let me log in to the website dashboard. Let's learn WordPress.com/demo/wp-admin. Enter the credentials. So we are in the dashboard. In order to upload this file without FTP or cPanel, we will need a plugin. For that, go to the plugin and add new. And search for plugins, File Manager. This is the plugin. Install now. And activate the plugin. So with the help of this plugin, you can access all the website files. Simply click here. Here, you can see all the website files. Anyway, now let's upload. Click here, select Files, and upload this. So the zip file has been uploaded. Before extracting this file here, please open this zip file and make sure all files are inside a folder, or else all these files will be randomly extracted on your site. Anyway, all files are under this folder. So right-click and extract files. Click here. Yes. So the file has been extracted. You can delete the zip file. Now we can access the database. Since it is a longer name, I will change it because we would need this name. You can change this to any name and press Enter. So to log into the database, copy the site URL / the folder name. I will just rename and copy the name. Please note, it is case sensitive, so should be exactly the same. And enter. Now we are in the phpMyAdmin. We need the username and the password to access the database. To do that, on the File Manager, look for wp-config.php file. Right-click and click on Preview. Let me resize it. Scroll down. You will find the database username here. Copy this and paste it here. Likewise, here is the password. Copy this and paste it here and log in. You can see we are now in our database just by using the WordPress logins. You can export or make changes to the database as required. Thank you very much.